This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Turn the heater temperature control to the maximum heat setting. With the engine cool, slowly unscrew and remove the radiator cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. Open the drain fitting until coolant starts flowing from the drain hole. A pair of pliers may be required to turn it. Allow the coolant in the radiator to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses before refilling the cooling system. Once the coolant has finished draining, tighten the radiator drain plug securely by hand. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Remove the air inlet tube. Disconnect the electrical connector from the engine coolant temperature sensor, ECT. Loosen the hose clamp, then disconnect the hose from the thermostat cover fitting. Remove the ground wire securing bolt from the thermostat cover. Remove the thermostat cover bolts and detach the housing cover. If the cover is stuck, tap it with a soft-faced hammer to jar it loose. Be prepared for some coolant to spill as the gasket seal is broken. Note how it's installed, with the jiggle valve facing up. Then remove the thermostat. Remove all traces of old gasket material and/or sealant from the thermostat housing and the cover. Install a new rubber gasket over the thermostat. Install the new thermostat into the housing without using sealant. Make sure the jiggle valve, if equipped, is at the top and the spring end is directed into the engine. Install the thermostat housing cover and bolts. Tighten the bolt to the specified torque setting. Install the ground wire and securing bolt to the thermostat cover and tighten it securely. Connect the ECT sensor electrical connector. Connect the radiator hose to the cover and tighten the hose clamp securely. Install the air inlet tube. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely. Refill the cooling system. Slowly fill the cooling system with the proper type and mixture of antifreeze up to the base of the radiator filler neck. Add coolant to the reservoir until it reaches a little above the min mark. Wait 5 minutes, then recheck the coolant level in the radiator, adding more if necessary. Leave the radiator cap off, then start and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the base of the filler neck. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel any trapped air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the radiator cap. Start the engine, allow it to reach normal operating temperature, and check for leaks.